Introducing the Lazy Spa Tropez AirJet. Relax and unwind in your very own Lazy Spa. Designed for 4 to 6 people, you can experience the same rejuvenating massage as a fixed hot tub for a fraction of the price. Activate the 80 all-surrounding AirJets and float away on a cloud of bubbles. Easy to set up and ready for water in just minutes, the Lazy Spa's rapid heating system heats the water up to a blissful 40 degrees. The Tropez also includes a waterproof floating LED light designed to illuminate your nighttime hot tub experience, whether you're romancing or relaxing. This Lazy Spa is designed to be strong and durable whilst maintaining a comfortable, supportive surface. Start the heater to suit your schedule with the timer-controlled heating system. Now it's your time to relax and unwind in your very own Lazy Spa.